Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Puran J. And today I'm going to say 10 lines on Holi Festival. But first, I want to wish you all a very happy Holi. So let's begin. Holi is a festival of colors. It is celebrated in the month of March every year. Children love playing with colors using pitchkaris, buckets and balloons filled with colored water. Holi is a festival which reminds us of the victory of good over evil. Various kinds of sweets such as gujiyas and malpuas are prepared to mark the occasion of Holi. They play with bright organic colors like red, green, yellow, orange, purple, etc. People collect wood and burn a bonfire and celebrate by singing songs around it. Holi is a beautiful festival full of friendship and love. On this day, people forget old enmities and come together. Holi is a famous festival of Hindus. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. And again very happy Holi. Bye.